So hello friends. Now I am going to talk about a 10th characteristic of the successful people, that is related to wealth, related to money. So this is the one of the main difference between the mentality of successful and unsuccessful people towards creating the wealth, generating the money. So basically, for poor people or the people who are having poor mentality. So when I'm saying poor, not in terms of money, not in terms of earning, but in terms of the mindset. So the people with the poor mindset, they think what they think about money is like throughout the life, they will spend their time to create or to earn the money, which they will at the end they will think that they will spend on something, and that something will be of no use if it will not be a valuable thing, or they will what they will do throughout their life, they will try to they will try to preserve that money, and they will think that they are the rich person. But what the successful people's mentality, they believe in creating the wealth for themselves, wealth for their future generation, and this is what their mentality. So when I'm saying creating the wealth, so how they think, that how they can create the wealth. So first thing, their mentality is that money is already there, money is already created. Then then then, then if it is already created, then what they have to do? So what they are thinking, that we should create the wealth, we should create the wealth by sharing the knowledge, by sharing the services, by creating new product ideas, and through that they will they will create the wealth. Not only that, they will constantly believe in flow of the money, the flow of the wealth, the flow of the knowledge, by giving the services, by keep on creating new products, sharing the ideas, the knowledge. So they believe in the flow of money, flow of wealth as well. So the moment our mentality will change from conserving the money to creating the wealth, we will follow the path of success. So thank you very much. So this is the 10th characteristic. I will come with another characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye.